What is the best time to sell your house? Hi everyone, Felix Altamirano here and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is one many home sellers have, and it has to do with what is the best time to sell your house. There are many factors to consider, and it's very important to know that every family has their own needs. So writing down those objectives is a good way to start planning ahead. Here are some things to keep in mind. A, what part of the year are you thinking about selling? For example, if you have children, waiting until the end of the school year and selling during the summer might make more sense. Something else that you should take into consideration is the local real estate market, and try to list your property at a time that's likely to give you the best sell price and appeal to a large number of prospective buyers. For example, according to national data, the best time to sell a home and get the highest prices in a shorter amount of time is in the springtime, specifically during the first part of May. Homes listed for sale during this window sell nearly 2 weeks faster than average. Typically during the warmer months, prices tend to peak. If you decide to list your home in the summer, you will be taking advantage of the nice weather, which means an increased number of active buyers. These buyers will have an extra time to dedicate to their home search. Families looking into moving around this time in order to not break up from the school year will search for homes during the summertime and try to close before the start of the new school year. On the flip side, because many folks tend to travel during the summertime, you may not see the same number of interested buyers as you would during the springtime. Choosing to sell your home in the fall can also be beneficial, mainly due to the lack of competition. By having fewer homes on the market, you might be able to sell your home for a higher price, especially if the buyer needs to move immediately. Similarly, families without school-age children will have the constraints of the school calendar holding them back, so you might see a decent amount of foot traffic to your home as buyers aim to move before the cold weather sets in. Finally, selling your home in the winter has its advantages. Generally speaking, winter is the least popular time to list a home because that's when the weather is at its worst, but that can also work in your favor in regards to competition. Similarly to the fall, by having fewer homes on the market in your area, you might be able to command a higher price if you find a buyer who's eager to move quickly, whether for job purposes or other reasons. On the other hand, people tend to sit back, which means you might see less active stream of prospective buyers if you list your home then. As you can see, depending on what time of the year you choose to sell, there are advantages and disadvantages. The warmer month will bring out more families, causing an increase in traffic and higher demand. During the colder months of the year, there will be less competition, which means you can attract more serious buyers. Thanks everyone for watching my video. For additional real estate videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you so much.